Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download MyBambu application on your iPhone. MyBambu application is designed to provide financial services to immigrants in the United States regardless of their immigration status. To download the correct MyBambu application, first of all launch Open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, bring up the search box and type in MyBambu and search. Once you get to the search result, tap Open MyBambu app and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. So that is how you will be able to download and install the correct MyBambu application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.